Hello, this is Moots at Trask. We're going to be installing our new Billet Road Glide fairing support. Here we got your left and right arms that will bolt to the fairing, your center section where the arms will bolt up to that, and there's your tab for bolting the center section to the chassis. There's the hardware that comes with the kit. There'll be AN washers also. We're going to take off the outer fairing as per your Harley-Davidson manual. It's really simple. There's just a good number of fasteners you got to remove. Take off your speaker grill. There's a fastener under there on each side, right and left, right there at the bottom. And again, on that side, there's a fastener there. Take those out. We're going to move on and remove the windshield. 4 fasteners on that, and it fits into a couple of little receivers in the front. Take those out of there. Remove the windshield. You take off the sub brackets that go onto the air duct. Hold the air duct down to the inner fairing. Pop off that little grill that with the lever for the air duct. Remove your outer shell. There's 4 fasteners in here, 2 facing rearward and 2 facing downward. Take those 4 off. The fairing will sit in place, but you don't want to rock the motorcycle and let it fall. Remove the outer fairing, and you have access to remove your stock fairing support bracket, which is kind of hideous. And I have a billet one on here that's been polished, so we're going to take that off and put on our raw one, which is left raw for you to choose, you know, Cerakote or powder coat or anodized, whatever you want to do with it. You may want to get it polished or chromed, but it comes from us or from Drag Specialties in the raw configuration. Now your 2 fasteners to mount the tab to the center plate, 5/16, 18, 17 to 19 foot-pounds red Loctite. Note the orientation of the tab facing downward. We're going to put our right and left side brackets on, 5/16, 18, again 17 to 19 foot-pounds. I'm going to screw these screws in and loosen them up a little bit. I want everything here on to just kind of float until they get the assembly in place on the bike. So there's your assembly. I'm going to slide it up into place and bolt it to the bike. So get up in there, it goes in behind those 2 tabs. I'm going to start the center 5/16, 18 bolt and the 2/4 20 bolts on either side. Again, leaving them all, you know, just slightly loose so they can float around. Once the right and left side are all in place, we'll go ahead and tighten the center section to the frame, and then tighten the arms to the center section, and tighten the inner fairing up to the right and left support arms. And that's it. That is your bracket installed. You're going to go ahead and reinstall the outer fairing. Those fasteners on the side are 1/4 20, 110 inch-pounds blue Loctite. Slide your fairing back into place, reinstall your fasteners and your windshield. Down the road you go. Enjoy.